Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to change the background color of your Gmail inbox in this full 2026 walkthrough. It's a simple tweak, but yeah, it really makes your inbox feel a lot cleaner and more personal. All right, let's go ahead and jump right in. So first, just sign into your Gmail account like you normally do. Your inbox doesn't have to be open to anything special. Uh, you just need to be on the main page. Once you're inside, look toward the top right corner and click the little gear icon. That opens the Quick Settings panel, and this is where most of the appearance options live. In the Quick Settings panel, you'll see a section called Theme. Click on the View All button. Yeah, this gives you access to the full theme library. Now scroll through the available themes. Some are images, some are gradients, but you'll also see simple color options. Click on any color tile you like, and your Gmail background updates instantly. So it's super easy to preview what looks best. After selecting a color, Gmail usually gives you a few extra adjustments like lightness, vignette, or blur. Just fine tune these until the background feels right for your eyes. When you're happy with everything, just hit the Save or Done button at the bottom of the window. Your new background color is now active across your entire Gmail inbox. Yeah, it's that simple. And that's pretty much it. You've just changed the background color of your Gmail inbox in this full 2026 guide. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.